Hello all, I wish you are fine and doing great. Today I would like to talk about scan to BIM. Let's start from the BIM. As we all know, the BIM is highly collaborative process. It supports our entire life cycle that includes planning, designing, construction, operations and maintenance and renovation also. Scan to BIM. We are scanning the physical objects and the facility and technically the built environment and BIM. We are developing the BIM model. Whenever I say the scan, how we are scanning with the use of laser scanners, right? Laser scanners emit the laser beams, LIDAR technology, light detection and ranging. How it works and how this electro theodolites electronic devices work in the case of measuring distances and capturing. For example, how we are able to see how our eye is working because of photons, right? The photons are getting reflected on the retina and it is creating the picture inside of our eyes and it is getting again reflected. In the same way, the laser beams, the laser scanner equipment is emitting the laser beams and it is hitting an object and coming back to the same equipment. Then it is measuring the distance, the time with the help of the how much time it is taking to go and come back. That's how it is measuring the distance. Not only this measuring the distance with the use of laser beams and scanners, we can capture the entire facility in the form of point cloud. That dot 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 is point, it will become a cloud kind of thing. I will give some links in the description so you can see how point cloud data will be, or if you search point cloud data how it will be, you will get it for sure many things. And it, say for example, I have this lock. What happens when I kept in front of the laser scanner? The laser scanner will come and hit points at each and every space, tick, 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 like this. Then it will create the actual point cloud shape of this. We have to download that data from the laser scanner to our PCs. Then for the bigger projects, we go for multiple scans, right? To get a complete good picture or good building kind of set out of scans, we have to register the scans. For one place we did one scan, at adjacent place on the scan we have to merge those both scans, then it will be completed. That we call it as a registration. So first what we did, we collected the data by going to the site and scanning the facility, that is collecting the data. And second thing, we did the registration, the combining merging the all the scans. And third one, we have to import that data into the 3D modeling environment. For example, say into the Revit, we have to import or link that to RCP data, I mean the point cloud data. What is RCP? That is a reality capture. You can look into it after some time. So we did that, right? So we collected the data, we registered the data, we got some shape of the data and we imported into the 3D modeling environment, that is say for example Revit. Then we have to start modeling by taking the RCP data as a reference. It will be visible to you in the background, okay? So you can model on it easily. After modeling it in the Revit, for sure, obviously we can extract the floor plans, sections, elevations, 3D views, whatever you want, very easily. And you are getting right the difference between the CAD to BIM and scan to BIM, right? There is a CAD to BIM. By taking the CAD 2D drawings as input, if we develop a 3D model, that is CAD to BIM. By scanning the facility with the laser scanner, bringing that into Office, doing registration, merging, importing to 3D modeling environment and modeling, this is scan to BIM. there is a probability more probability of error in the Cal2 BIM than this Canto BIM, because in the Cal2 BIM much is there, but in Canto BIM we will be able to see whatever we are modeling already, because that is as built. What is as built? Already built. That is as built, the physical object, structure and whatnot. I hope you got some idea about Canto BIM, and I have presentation also. I will try to do one more video and I will try to show pictures and some videos how people do that. Right now I'm working as a research project assistant at IISc Bangalore in CPM department under the guidance of Professor Vishal Singh sir in the Impact Lab, and also this position transferred by Desapex Engineering Consultancy LLP. I'm a team member at Construction Leaders. My name is Naveen Kumar Nagipogu. If you just type a name, I am available on all the social media platforms, primarily LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Medium, Issue, YouTube also. I have the two channels, the one which you are watching now and the one about travel and explore, some entertainment kind of stuff, Naveen Kumar Nagipogu vlogs. You can check it out. I'm working in purely this virtual design and construction field. My experience includes maximum in this field only. If you get any doubts, you can contact me directly through the LinkedIn, no worry at all, and I'm happy to help the people. I'm happy to share the knowledge, and the same happy I feel if you share your knowledge with me. Thank you.